Got a new iPhone? Transferring data after setup is easy. This guide covers 4 methods: iCloud, AirDrop, Quick Start, and MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Follow the steps to move photos, contacts, messages, and more effortlessly. Part 1. How to transfer data to new iPhone after setup with iCloud. Step 1. Connect both iPhones to Wi-Fi. Ensure both are on a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Backup to iCloud. Go to Settings, your name iCloud Backup now. Step 3. Set up new iPhone. Turn it on. Follow setup steps. Sign into Apple ID and connect to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Restore from iCloud. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the latest backup. Step 5. Complete transfer. Stay connected to Wi-Fi until the restore finishes. Part 2. Transfer data to new iPhone after setup without iCloud. Method 1. Transfer everything to new iPhone after setup with Transfer for Mobile. No iCloud? Use MobiKin Transfer for Mobile to quickly move photos, videos, messages, and more between iPhones with one click. Step 1. Install and open Transfer for Mobile. Download, install, and launch MobiKin Transfer for Mobile on your computer. Connect your old and new iPhone to your computer using 2 USB cables. When prompted, tap Trust on your iPhone to allow the connection. Step 2. Set up your source and destination devices. The software detects both iPhones as source, old, and destination, new. Click Flip if needed to ensure correct transfer. Step 3. Select and transfer your data. In the middle of the screen, you will see the different data types available for transfer: photos, contacts, messages, etc. Check the files you want to move and tap Start Copy to begin the transfer. Method 2. AirDrop data from iPhone to iPhone after setup. Open Control Center. Enable AirDrop for everyone. On the old iPhone, select a file, tap Share AirDrop new iPhone. Tap Accept on the new iPhone. The file transfers instantly. Method 3. Transfer data to iPhone after setup via Quick Start. Turn on your new iPhone and place it next to the old one. Follow setup steps until Apps and Data, then select Transfer from iPhone. Scan the blue animation or enter the passcode to connect. On the old iPhone, select Data and tap Continue. Wait for the transfer to finish.